Hi guys, and welcome to my channel Arabic with me, Rana. In this video we are going to have lots of expressions that mean the same thing in spoken Arabic, but when it comes to the standard Arabic it might mean another thing. So let's see what are these expressions step by step, an expression by an expression. So let's use the first one and let's see how it's going to be. So it's expressions in the spoken Arabic. Spoken Arabic. So we are starting with the spoken Arabic, with the spoken Levantine Arabic. The first one, which is ولا يهمك, ولا يهمك, ولا يهمك. So if you told anyone in Arabic, in spoken Arabic, in the Levantine Arabic language, if you told them ولا يهمك, ولا يهمك, then it means either never mind, ولا يهمك, never mind, or it could be don't worry about it, ولا يهمك, it's okay, ولا يهمك. So for example, you might tell your friend, this is an example, you might tell your friend خلاص ولا يهمك, okay, it's fine, so ولا يهمك, it's okay, ولا يهمك, don't worry about it. أنا بعمل هيدا الشغل, I will do this work, so I will do this work or this job or this whatever for you, so ولا يهمك, don't worry about it, it's okay, ولا يهمك. So this is what it means when you say ولا يهمك. Sometimes if you were upset, for example, and you said for a person خلاص ولا يهمك, like this with this gesture on your face, it's gonna be like, okay, never mind, like never mind, I will never ask you again. So this could be, of course, according to the tone of voice, to the speech tone you are speaking with. So it's gonna be like ولا يهمك, never mind, so I will do it for you, ولا يهمك. أنا بعمل الشغل, I will do the work. أنا بعمل الشغل, ولا يهمك, never mind, don't worry about it, like it's okay, I will do it. And it could be to the other tone of speech if it's going to be like ولا يهمك, خلاص, it's okay, يعني خلاص ولا يهمك. So it would be like never mind, I will never ask you again. So again, it's according to the speech tone. Now the second one, which is in the standard Arabic. So this one, if you told someone this exact thing, which is لا يهمك, in the standard Arabic, so لا يهمك, لا يهمك شيء, you don't care about anything. So this one, it means you don't care. لا يهمك. For example, you would say أنت لا يهمك أي شيء في هذه الدنيا. أنت لا يهمك أي شيء في هذه الدنيا. You don't care about anything in this world. What? Oh my god. Okay, so this is what it means if you said it in the standard Arabic. So it's really different. Now, this is the first one in spoken and the difference with it in the standard. And now let's see the second one. The second one, it has lots and lots of ways to say it. So the first way is going to be ما, which is the negation, like don't. ما تاكل, أكل, تاكل, which is like to eat. I'm speaking to a male right now. ما تاكل, ما تاكل, don't eat. And then هم. هم in Arabic, it means a concern, a worry. So just one. When you say هموم, which is the plural, هموم means worries, it means concerns, some matters you are concerned about. So it could be this and that. هم, هموم, هم, هموم. هم is just one. هموم is like lots of them. So هم واحد. It could be like one trouble, one problem you are in, whatever. So it could be this. Now, let's see the expression and what does it mean. Like, what does it mean to say, to tell me ما تاكل هم? What does it mean? ما تاكل هم. Don't eat a concern. Don't eat a worry. Like, what the hell is that? So no, it's not gonna be like this. ما تاكل هم means do not worry about it. Do not worry. Don't worry. So again, ما تاكل هم. أنا بعمل الشغل. Don't worry about it. I will do it for you. I will do the work for you. ما تاكل هم. ما تاكل هم. So ما تاكل هم. If I'm going to tell you, if I am a male right now and I'm going to tell you that I am eating, I'm the one who is eating ham, which is the concern, the worries, like it means I'm worrying right now, I'm worried, I'm really worried. So I would just say آكل هم, so I'm worried, أنا آكل هم, really. So it would be آكل هم. If you are speaking to a female and you want to tell her, do not worry. So you would tell her, ما تاكلي هم. ما تاكلي هم. So don't eat concerns. Again, for a female, ما تاكلي هم. So don't worry about it. ما تاكلي هم. If I am the person who is worried, I would just say, and I'm a female, I would just say, أكلي هم. أكلي هم عن جد. Really. أكلي هم. So this is the first way of saying it. ما تاكل with the أكل, which is the eating, the hum. The second one is to carry the hum, to carry the worries. So it's gonna be ما تحمل. If I'm speaking to a male, it would be ما تحمل. Don't carry hum. Like, don't carry the worries. It would be like, don't worry. So, ما تحمل هم. If you are speaking to a female, you would tell her ما تحملي هم. ما تحملي هم. If I'm the one who is carrying that worries, it would be like أنا, if I'm speaking the male, أنا حامل هم. I'm worried. أنا حامل هم. Like now I am carrying that hum and walking. So أنا حامل هم. If I'm now the female and I would tell you أنا حامل هم. أنا حامل هم. I'm carrying, for me a female, the hum or the worries. This is the second way of saying it. Let's see the third way of saying this one, which is ما تشيل. ما تشيل. تشيل is to take off, to grab something. ما تشيل هم. ما تشيل هم. Like, don't grab that hum. Don't grab that worry. Like, don't take it off. Don't take it. Don't carry it again. So, ما تشيل هم. لا تشيل or ما تشيل هم. Do not take that worry again, so don't worry about it. And for a female, ما تشيلي هم. ما تشيلي هم. It's okay, don't worry about it. ما تشيلي هم. I will do it for you. ما تشيلي هم. Don't worry. Come on, don't worry. It will always be okay. It will be okay. ما تشيلي هم. So if I'm the person who is carrying that or taking off or grabbing that hum and walking with it, it's gonna be like, I'm worried. So I would say if I'm a male, أنا شايل هم. أنا شايل هم. Or, for example, if I'm the person who is carrying that hum, that concerns or worries, it's gonna be أنا شايلة. If I'm a female, أنا شايلة هم. أنا شايلة هم. I'm really worried. أنا شايلة هم. بكرة عندي امتحان. Tomorrow I have a test. Tomorrow I have a test. بكرة عندي امتحان. Like, أنا كتير شايلة هم. I'm so worried about it. So it's gonna be like this. Now this is the third way of saying it. We have also a fourth way of saying it, which is ما تعتل. تعتل. تعتل is also like عتل. عتل is like to carry, like in a heavy way. أنا عاتل. So it would be لا تعتل or ما تعتل هم. Do not worry about it. Or if you are speaking to a female, you would tell her ما تعتلي هم. ما تعتلي هم. If I'm the one who is carrying that, it would be like I'm the one who is worried. I would say if I'm a male, أنا عاتل هم. أنا عاتل هم. If I am the person who is saying it, which is Rana, so I would just say أنا عاتل هم. أنا عاتل هم. And that's it. This is all about it. So this is all the fourth ways of saying it. And we have, by the way, lots of other ways, but these are the most common ones. So these 4 ways of saying ما يهمك or ما تاكل هم, لا تحمل هم, ما تشيل هم, ما تعتل هم. All of them like don't worry, and we like it because, for example, ما تحمل is just carrying. ما تعتل is like don't carry it in a heavy way. Like, you are so poetic in Arabic language. So this is it. This is the Arabic language for like don't worry about it, never mind, etc. So this is what it means. Let me give you one example about don't worry about it. For example, ما تاكل. So I'm speaking to a male. ما تاكل هم. ما تاكل هم. أنت ما تاكل هم الامتحان. ما تاكل هم الامتحان. Don't worry about the test. Like, for example, tomorrow, next week, etc. So ما تاكل هم الامتحان. أنت درست منيح. You studied well. أنت درست منيح. So this is it. This is all about this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is the YouTube channel, and share it with your friends. All of your friends who are learning the Arabic language, do not forget about it, please. And of course, do not forget to go to my Facebook page and hit the like button, follow me, and see all of the new videos, because I'm posting almost every day. And of course, do not forget to go to my YouTube channel, because there is a very small lovely vlog, because I could not really record other than that. I was really busy today. So whenever I have free time for you, I will always post some new videos, some free new videos for you on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Do not forget about it, and I will see you in next videos. Bye!